Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock the Sugar Gnome Laboratory in Cookie Run Kingdom. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the game and make sure you have progressed far enough in the story to unlock the Sugar Gnome Laboratory feature. Typically, you need to reach Kingdom Level 7 and complete the required quests to make this building available. Once eligible, a prompt will appear in your kingdom, guiding you to the construction area. Next, head to the Build menu located at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Sugar Gnome Laboratory under the Production or Special Buildings tab. Select it, and then place it anywhere in your kingdom where there is enough free space. You might need to clear some obstacles, like trees or rocks, if your area is full. Once the laboratory is placed, construction will begin automatically. Make sure you have enough coins and materials to finish the building process. After it is built, you will be able to access new research features that allow you to improve your kingdom, upgrade your production speed, and boost your cookie stats. Finally, check the laboratory regularly to start and complete research tasks. Upgrading this building over time will unlock additional research options and make your kingdom stronger. So that's basically how you can unlock the Sugar Gnome Laboratory in Cookie Run Kingdom. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.